welcome to my very first, I guess, official fishing video. I'm going to be doing a review on the Akaso action camera EK7000, and then I'll be unboxing it. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some fishing videos, and I really just wanted to get a camera that was budget minded and that, you know, was going to meet my budget. There was a couple cameras from Akaso that I looked at. There was the V50 Elite, the V50 Pro, the Brave, and the EK7000. But I chose to go with the EK7000 Pro because it was affordable at only 80 bucks on Amazon compared to the $140 for the V50 Elite. The only thing that this one is missing that the V50 Elite has is the voice control. So this one does not have the voice control, but that's fine. We can do without that. And the V50 Elite shoots 4K at 60 frames per second, while this one only does 25. But again, I'm not going to do most of my videos on 4K. I will be doing them on 1080p. So again, not such a big issue. Some of the features that this has is, again, 25 frames per second for 4K. Photo resolution is at 60 megabytes. It does have EIS, electronic image stabilization. It is touchscreen in the back, which is a nice feature, and it has an adjustable view angle, Wi-Fi, so it'll connect to your wireless remote to be able to turn it on and turn it off as far as recording goes. And it does have some special effects, so this is great. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up. I'm excited. Again, I got it on Amazon. It took about maybe 2 days to get there with Amazon Prime. So let me go ahead and scoot this down a little bit so you guys can be able to see what I'm working with. Okay, again, here we go. Let me see. So I heard the best way to open this up is from the bottom, so let's go and see what's in the box. I did also get myself a nice little SD card. It was on sale for 20 bucks, 128 gigabytes, so that's pretty good. So let's see, go ahead. And any review that I'll be doing, of course, I'll have some beer with me, because why not? All right, let's see here. Put this aside. Kind of an ogre. Let's go ahead and bring this in so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So right off the bat, it's nice. As you guys can tell, it's, I mean, you know, if you're looking at a GoPro, I mean, this is gonna, you're not gonna get nowhere near what a GoPro does. But I mean, for what I'm doing it, it's great. I think a GoPro's running you close to $400. So at less than $100 with an SD card, I mean, it's quite a good bargain. So let's see on the side. So you got your camera. Looks like you got your strap for be able to record, and let's see, some mounting devices, more mounting devices, a battery. Let's see here, what else is on there. Looks like another little cover for your camera. Looks like a mount device for a bike. Ooh, that's nice. I didn't even read that. 2 batteries. What else? Charging cable. Your wrist device to be able to press record and take capture. Oh, another neat feature also about the EK7000 Pro is it does time lapse. So that's great. Let me go ahead and get into it and maybe read a little bit more about it. So it does give you quite a bit extra stuff, more than I thought. A couple extra little wristbands, it looks like. Be able to clean it. Some zip ties. And nice. Should be a little docking for your batteries, unless you just charge it directly to the camera. I'm not exactly sure. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. I mean, they give you quite a bit of stuff. I don't really know that I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff, but it's nice to have. Let's see here. Ooh, it's so much getting lost in translation here. Go ahead and put these back, leave the batteries, because that's what's really important. Alright. So as you guys can tell, it does come with quite a bit. Looks like they had it nicely fit in there. I'm not going to be able to do that. So, that's me. Alright, so thanks for sticking to the video. Like I said, it does come with a lot of stuff. Later on, I'll take some video and let you guys know how well it shoots. Here, going to the future, like I said, I will be taking footage of me fishing and hopefully catching some stuff. And